Limton say, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter we go change our life.
Matthew chapter 4. The Holy Spirit take Jesus go inside desert, make devil for tempt am. After Jesus don fast for 40 days and 40 nights, he come dey hungry. Then devil come meet am say,
if you be God pikin, command this stone, make it turn to bread.
Jesus come answer,
God word say, no be only food man go take survive, but na with every word wey God talk.
Then devil show Jesus the town wey dey holy, come make am stand on top the place wey high pass for the temple, and he tell Jesus,
if you really be God pikin, jump go down, because the right for God word say, God go command